we are going to know about an interesting topic, which is transshipment hub in India, and it costs more than 7,000 crores. So, well, that considered, we'll see in today's video. We're going to split about this project and we'll answer what exactly is transshipment port and why do India needs it and what are the benefits after its construction. So, what exactly is a transshipment port? So, well, a transshipment port is a port where large ships can easily dock and they can pass into other countries basically. And you may wonder why is Indian government and other private players are also involved into this project, like groups like Adani Groups and the southern state of Kerala are combined or jointly performing or building a project like Visindram Port. So, well, you may wonder why these three players are too interested in this construction, in this port construction. So, after building a transshipment port in India, well, you can save, the government of India can save up to 1,000 crores per year, and the traders, the local traders who will do all transports can save up to $200 on a TEU. So TEU stands for 20-foot equivalent unit. So it's basically a container, large container, which you will see on highways. So for these reasons, government decided to construct a transshipment hub. And you may even wonder why Visindram Port is selected for this construction. Well, Visindram Port has two major advantages over all the ports in India which are there across India. So the first advantage is it is near to other areas of other ports, like we can easily move from Visindram Port to any other port because it is located on the southern tip of India. And the maintenance cost of this port is too cheap when we compare to other ports of India. And due to these reasons, government and the Adani Group decided to construct this project. Well, you may even wonder what are the advantages after achieving this port. Well, 15,000 people can be employed after its construction. And for certain reasons like due to COVID-19 and the Ukraine war, Russia-Ukraine war, this project has been postponed to 2028. Its first phase was postponed to 2028. And the initial stages of this project started way back in 2015 and it is expected to end in 2018, but due to certain reasons like COVID-19 and Ukraine war and due to other infrastructure reasons, this project has been postponed. But after its construction, we're going to witness major changes in India's infrastructure, well, because this will definitely lead to hydrogen gas transportment, and even every large container transport can be easily done using this port. So, well, that's all from my side today, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.